If you drink lemon and cucumber water every morning, what happens to your body? First, you'll promote weight loss, and lemons and cucumbers are known for boosting metabolism and burning unhealthy fats. Please save this video to your phone to prevent it from disappearing. Secondly, your skin will become better. Cucumbers are good for the skin because they are rich in water, vitamins, and minerals. They can also help reduce appetite. This powerful detox drink helps remove accumulated toxins from the body, supports the normal function of organs and blood, and promotes digestion. This drink has the properties of promoting healthy digestion, promoting the production of digestive enzymes, reducing bloating and relieving stomach pain. It also reduces water retention, as lemons and cucumbers are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help reduce water retention and regulate blood pressure. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more health tips.